In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook. Meta AI is built right into Facebook, giving you a quick way to brainstorm ideas, generate images with prompts, and get helpful answers without leaving the site. I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using it confidently in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Facebook and press enter. Click the official Facebook link to open the site. Once you're on Facebook, sign in the way you normally do. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as usual and wait until your home feed loads. If you're using Facebook on the web, look toward the lower right corner of the screen. You should see the Meta AI icon or chat window. Click it to open the assistant. That launches a conversation panel where you can type prompts and see responses inside Facebook, similar to a chat. Right away, you'll notice a set of suggested prompts that demonstrate what Meta AI can do. These are great starting points. For example, pick one like Imagine Paradise. This kind of prompt typically asks Meta AI to generate a visual or a vivid description based on your idea. After selecting the prompt, click Send. Give it a moment to process. You should see a result come back that matches the theme. If you want to adjust the vibe, maybe you prefer a sunset beach or a tropical forest, just type a follow-up like, make it at golden hour or add palm trees, and send again. Refining your prompt is the easiest way to guide the output toward what you're picturing. You can also use Meta AI for everyday questions. In the message field, type something practical, like, "What is the weather today in Los Angeles?" Then click Send. Meta AI will provide a quick, conversational answer, and if you need more detail, hour by hour, tomorrow's forecast, or what to wear, ask a follow-up right in the same thread. A few quick tips as you practice. Be specific with your prompts for clearer results. Keep your language simple and direct, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in your messages. If the Meta AI panel doesn't appear, it may be rolling out gradually by region or account type, so check back later. And remember, you can always revisit the chat to continue a previous conversation or try new ideas. That's it. Now you know how to open Meta AI on Facebook. Use a suggested creative prompt like Imagine Paradise and ask practical questions such as the day's weather. Have fun experimenting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.